powerful. But how do you change yourself? Is what is the question. How do you change yourself? Because until you change yourself, you are not gonna be successful. The most successful people are the ones who have consistently been changing themselves. Who have consistently been changing themselves. Guys, I have a surprise for you today. You can change. Did you know that you can change? This is the most powerful power that we human beings have got. And that powerful power is the power to change. We can change ourselves. Maybe not how we look, or maybe yes, even how we look. But maybe it is not that kind of what we see in the mythological movies, that we change how we look and the size and decrease the size and increase. Not those things. But yes, you can change, and that is what makes us really, really powerful. But how do you change yourself? Is what is the question. How do you change yourself? Because until you change yourself, you are not gonna be successful. The most successful people are the ones who have consistently been changing themselves. Who have consistently been changing themselves. They have not been the person what they were yesterday. They have changed. And this change is for better. I would not say that we consider change to be bad. We say that that person changed. He is no more what he was yesterday. But that's good, you know. We should be changing. We should be changing every single day. And if we don't change, that means we have not grown. If we do not change, that means we have not learned from what happened yesterday. If we don't change, that means we are not getting better. If we do not change, that means we do not change. And if we do not change, it means we do not grow. And when we do not grow, life just happens to us. We end up being nothing at all. And that is why human beings are powerful. We change every single day. We update ourselves, we upgrade ourselves, and we are not the same person as we were yesterday. Because I learned a lot from yesterday. I learned from my mistakes yesterday. I will not do the same mistakes. I will not repeat the same things that I did yesterday. If I work for 5 hours and I achieved a certain amount of thing, I would not be doing the same thing today again. Because if I do that, that means I did not change. So what I will do is I will either do the same amount of work in less number and less amount of time, or I will do more productive work in a better way in the same amount of time. Whatever it is, but I will change. And this change is going to be for the better, not for the bad. Not because I committed for something yesterday and I am not accepting that today. Not that kind of a change is what I am talking about. The change that I am referring to is the change for good. The change to upgrade myself. The change to upgrade yourself for the better. The change that happens because you learned something. The change that happens because you studied something. The change that happens because you read a book that said that it is important for you to change. And when you read, when you study, when you learn, you change automatically. When you eat good, you change. When you eat healthy, you change. When you eat unhealthy, you also change. You are anyways changing every single day. But positive change is what counts. Like habits are always there. It could be good, it could be bad. Change is always there in the system. Change is always happening in the system. Your cells are changing. We say that in about 12 years of time, the entire body, every single part of our body, every single cell of our body changes. So change is consistently happening. Now we need to decide whether those changes would be for the good or for the bad, or it would stay stagnant. Anything that is still is actually going downwards. So if you are changing, change for the better. Change to be good, change to be better, change to be the best. Make sense? Yes, it does. And if you have any questions, any queries about why you should change, how you can change, and what you should be doing to change, come back to me and I'll be helping you with that. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.